Welcome to ACT Essentials. If you've ever felt confused or unsure about how to actually use acceptance and commitment therapy, you're in the right place. This on-demand workshop was built to give you tools, structure, and confidence to start using ACT from your very next session. Whether you're a therapist, coach, or someone who supports others in any capacity, ACT Essentials shows you how to translate ACT's core ideas into practical action and fast. You'll get clear guidance on all 6 processes, plus video demonstrations, client examples, and hands-on exercises you can use right away. I'll walk you through some of the key tools like the finger trap exercise and the beach ball metaphor, the matrix, and more, showing you exactly how to bring these concepts to life in your work. You'll also get lifetime access to over 30 client-ready worksheets, session guides, audio practices, and cheat sheets, all organized by module so you can find what you need when you need it. If you've been looking for a clear, practical way to bring ACT into your sessions, then this is it.